Guided by Kit Carson, it was described in the journal of the trip as Carson's Old Trail. The pass led around the impossible canyon on the Gila River, where Coolidge Dam has now been constructed. Look at the ring spiderweb right there. Wow, massively huge.
That's pretty. In our last Jeep adventure, we took you up the Gila River to see the Silver Shores recreation site.
Oh, that's the bridge section.
I think I got a picture of it.
Oh.
What'd you say? Oh. And now we're leaving the Silver Shores recreation site and taking you up to Christmas recreational site. What?
That I think it's first year in this kind of fasting. Watch for rocks. Watch for gold. Rock and roll.
I don't see any rocks rolling. Okay, it should be up here somewhere. Right there.
Get that right here. All of these are pretty steep turns.
Go guard.
Thanks. This is the Christmas recreation site. It, like the other ones, has roads both ways. We're gonna go this way first.
Okay. No fireworks or campfires.
Yay.
Very important.
Look at me. Oh, shooting. I panic with us. We don't want to shoot.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't like shooting. Scares.
I think one of the 14 these actually are a little bit more primitive than the other ones.
This might be a big turnabout.
Yep. Definitely not as recently maintained as the other site.
Yeah, the other one was maintained.
I thought the other one was pretty. Birds.
Yep.
I'm close to the community smokers.
Call that a road?
Yeah, for one time it was. Yeah. There's some other birds.
Tree
Where?
right there.
Scared me. I thought we were gonna hit it. Yeah.
Tree hanging down. I'm gonna roll the window up. Just bugs.
Well, that's the left side. What's this? I like the other campsite better.
Actually, I would say when you enter it, that would be the right side.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're correct.
Always right.
Sit on that side. That's why I couldn't let you drive. Driving which way wrong. Right.
Well, it depends on which way you're facing. Because if you're facing, one way, you're on the right side. If you're facing the other way, then you could still be on the right side. It just depends on which way you're facing. But you're on one side, it's the right side, and you're on the other side, it might be the left side. So it just depends on which way you're facing. That was a bit of a babble, wasn't it?
Site there, and then the road gets a little rickety. But it doesn't say no access.
The rocks.
Hey, what are we eating?
Oh, gosh. Mm-hmm.
I would think all these camping sites here. I don't know where this goes. Thank you. Oh, that was nice. Is this Hansel?
No. They are now.
Okay. Yeah, that just got to where I couldn't see through the bushes.
Yeah, all of the branches they're hanging really low. Some of them are
This
broken.
one here, but worse.
Yeah, because that one right there, that one's broken. And it's just dangling.
Yeah, and there's a lot worse than
Oh.
that.
Yeah, because this is not maintained.
We don't mind off-roading, but we're not going to have to. I didn't bring a machete where we can chop away the trail.
Okay, coming out, we're gonna lean towards your side, and there are rocks on your side.
Okay.
Those rocks right there.
Okay. Oh, those are bad. Starting. I'll stop there. Away.
Okay.
Okay. So theoretically, if you're coming here, this is where you'd want to turn around. Do we want to go up the river or no? Or did you not see it from here?
I did not see it. It's probably,
Right there.
well, it might be a bit of a walk. I don't know.
No, no. I'll check it. I count steps from the last spot.
Hold it. There you go.
Okay. Video.
We'll wait here. Okay.
Okay.
We'll wait here in the sun fest.
Okay, that there says no vehicles, so that's the last of the camping sites. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Spider web right there. Wow, massively huge. Okay, lots of steps.
Because in this spot we don't know how far the water is. So Aaron's gonna find out.
Why doesn't it there?
He's probably getting attacked by bugs, and I don't know if he can find a proper path, because it looks, yeah, because he's kind of wandering around now. So I would probably say there's really not a very good river access here.
Okay, there is no river access from this part of Christmas. It's a Christmas campsite, good place to camp. There's really no river access from here.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Take a look at that picture.
Oh my gosh.
That's not a spider web, or is that a spider web?
It's like the spider webs that you get in Kentucky. I don't think I've ever been over here either. Every time we went like up low place, it was
Yeah, it's the way we're coming back.
on the other side. So, here, we gotta pull out here.
Wow. Oh, wow. This is worth it.
Yep, pull around.
Oh, and there's a thing here too.
Monument.
Yeah, stop. Sure. This. Oh, this looks like a lunch spot too. I'm hungry. El Captain Pass. This pass was used by Kearny's Army of the West in a march to California in 1846. Guided by Kit Carson, it was described in the journal of the trip as Carson's Old Trail. The pass led around the impossible canyon on the Gila River, where Coolidge Dam has now been constructed. We're gonna let Gidget drive. Oh, I am a little worried about it. Car was dirty. Car was not dirty when I gave it to her. It was clean, right?
Nope.
Oh, is that called lying?
Yep.
Oh.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.
Guided by Kit Carson, it was described in the journal of the trip as Carson's Old Trail. The pass led around the impossible canyon on the Gila River, where Coolidge Dam has now been constructed.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.
Box, big piece here.
A bunch of pieces taped together.
Sorry. Oh, camera moved. Oh, that's okay.
Honey?
I got it.
Damn.
It's broken on the other side. Hey.